Okay guys, this was previously recorded for your viewing enjoyment. It is May 17, 2020, and Clay has just finished a good chunk of the bucket system. He is tired. He has his dirt out, his cement mixer, peat moss. We are kind of closing down shop. It's 3 o'clock. We are getting hungry. Yes, we still have things. We're not done. We just have other things we have to address before we go to bed. So the bucket system is halfway done. My little station over there. In between, we take a little break. Might eat ice cream or drink some water. The dog is over there playing. Pokey the puppy is over there. And the greenhouse, I put these roses in today. And let's see what else is going on over here. The greenhouse is filled with some tomatoes he's going to be putting in. And it has just been a busy day. It actually looks like it's going to rain. The quail are all doing good, which we have to feed these guys tonight. And he just looks tired.
I'm just exhausted.
He is just exhausted. Okay guys, so this is just a little shorty, a little taste of spring, and we will see you guys in our next video. And remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.